Check out this 2006 Nissan Altima. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading is a great advantage among other benefits offered on this ride. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power windows, power steering, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Call today to schedule a test drive.